Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today I am going to take Maths subject term 2 unit 1 lesson geometry. Let me start about the basic line of geometry. So what are they? Point, line, line segment and ray. What is a point? A point is an exact position on a plane surface. So what is a point, children? See here, a mark, a point in a plane surface. A point maybe here also, here also. These are the points in a plane surface in an exact position. So these are called points. So next we will go for the line. A line is a set of points in a straight path that extend in opposite direction without ending. So children, see here, line. A line is a set of points like here. Set of points. It in a straight path that extend in this direction also, in this direction. Here also, here also. So it extend in the opposite direction. It will be very closer. It will be very closer like this. So it can be extend in both the direction without any ending. So these are called line. So you can draw like this way also, children. It is a line. So it will be closer and it has been no ending. So a line is a set of points in a straight path that extend in opposite direction without ending. Now move to the line segment. A line segment is a part of a line between two endpoints. Here given there, see a line segment with two endpoints. For example, AB. Draw a line with two endpoints A and B. So AB is the line which does not have any endpoint. In this line, take a small part. This is called C and this is called D. So this part is called the line segment. Do you understand, children? So AB is the line which does not have any endpoint. In this line, take CD. CD, a small point. Okay, it's a small part. This part is called the line segment CD. This part is called the line segment CD. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now move to the ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and extends in one direction without ending. So children, is given a ray. So ray is a line with a point like this way. Okay, children, line segment is also same. Line segment is also same as ray, but only different is in a line segment. CD contains two endpoints, but in a ray it contains only one endpoints and extend in one direction without ending. Understand, children? So this is called a ray. It can be extend in only one direction. Only. So this is called ray. Do you understand, children? Okay. So I hope you all understand this point, line segment and ray. Let's move to the exercise part, children. Here choose is given. Tick the correct alternatives. First one, the shortest distance between the point C and D is shown by the segment CD or the curve CD is given there. So which is shortest part, children, here? Whether it's a CD or curve CD. So the shortest part is this CD, the segment CD. So the answer will come the segment CD. So second one, line PQ and line QP represent different lines or the same lines. Here PQ will extend in this direction. PQ will extend in this direction, and QP also same in this another direction. So both are different lines. So both are different lines. So see children, here this is PQ in this direction and QP in another direction. So both are different lines. So it is extend in the opposite direction. So what's the answer will come? It is a different, answer is different lines. Third one, point C lies on the ray AB or ray BD is given there. So whether C, see this one, C is in AB ray or BD ray. This C whether is in AB ray or CD ray. So here C is in AB ray. It comes in between A and B. So what answer will come? The answer is ray AB. Now fourth one is segment MN has infinite length or finite length. So MN is a finite length or infinite length asking. So MN is a line segment. What is this? MN is a line segment. So it is a finite length. MN is a line segment. So it is a finite length. It is only a small part. It is only a small part. So it is a finite length. And what about the infinite means what? Infinite line will be extend. Infinite line will be extend in both the direction. So this segment MN has what? Finite length. Now last one is ray RT. Ray RT is a part or is not a part of the line TR. Yes, it is a part of the line TR. Yes, it is a part. So, ray RT or TR. So it is a part. It is a part. So yes children, okay children, I hope you understand all this exercise. In the next class, I will teach you about the angles and types of angles. Thank you.